Hi viewers, another day to show you an amazing townhouse terrace duplex located here at Megaound in the Ikota axis. Now, immediately I stepped into this home. I was very astonished with the quality finishing and the level of thoughtfulness that went into building this amazing home. And if we're talking about the pricing is quite affordable compared to, other houses in this axis. Now, I don't want to talk too much. The house will speak for itself. But before I flip my camera around and show you what this amazing piece look like, if you're new on my channel, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Joanne of J Global Properties. Turn on your notification bell so you are first to see further investment opportunities and quality housing tours on this page. Without further ado, let's take a tour. As usual, you're going to get a view of the ambience of the estates before we go inside. So you see there are a lot of buildings here already. So let's go inside. People are always talking about, oh, trees, eco-sustainability. Can you see it? I mean, for people who know Megaound Estate, you know that this is their signatory stuff. Like, there are a lot of trees in these estates. So this is the 4-bedroom terrace house. You see that when you enter, there's quite space here. The person that is going to buy this unit will enjoy a lot because you have access to this whole space here. So this is going to be like the driveway for people who are going to get those units. So in total, we have 6 units here. 6 units of 4-bedroom townhouse terrace duplex with a BQ. So let's step inside. So this can comfortably take up to 2 cars. It's quite spacious. This is like the first terrace I'm seeing that is built with so much thoughtfulness. Some terrace, when you come inside, is always looking as if, they didn't think about it at all before they even started building it. But for this, I'm very, very impressed. So this is the ante room. This is the ante room. This is the ante room. So on the ground floor, we have just the ante room and one room, which can serve as a visitor's room, which is here. And of course, it comes with its own private bathroom. So let's go to the first floor. It's sitting on 2 floors. The ante room is even looking like some people's sitting area, primary sitting area. Okay, so let's go upstairs. So, of course, the staircase gets lit up when you are about climbing on it. So let's go to the first floor. Remember, it's on 2 floors. So when you come to the first floor, you have this open area. This open area leads you to the sitting area. By your right is the sitting area, right? So this is the sitting area. And the space is also good. Let me know what you think. So this is the sitting area with its own balcony. So from here, you have an overview of your environment. You also have your visitors' restroom here. So this is the sitting area, but it flows down to the kitchen. Flows down to the kitchen. And this is the kitchen. Isn't this lovely? I usually like my clients coming for physical inspections because sometimes these videos, they don't do justice at all. Like, we are limited to what we can show you until you come here and you see it for yourself, right? So, of course, you have a lot of compartments. You have your 5-burner gas cooker. You have your heat extractor. And yeah, so this is it. And I like the way the developer built it. In cases where you want to put like a door here or a glass door, of course you can absolutely do that. But if you're okay with just everything being open, where you can have easy access without restrictions, this is also amazing. And before I forget, it's actually a smart home. We have a lot of automations here. So this is the storage room where you can store your food stuff. And amazing thing is, each unit comes with a private staircase at the back. So this is the private staircase for this at the back. When you go downstairs, you see the boys' quarters. You see the boys' quarters, right? So you are not just restricted with just one access from the front of the house. You can also exit the home with this staircase, which leads you to the boys' quarters, and you get to go out of the home. So we have 2 exits for this particular home. So let's go to the last floor that houses the 3-bedroom. Remember, we saw one of the rooms downstairs, which can serve as a visitor's room. So this is the 3 rooms upstairs. So let's go. So yeah, this is it. So we have this secondary living area where you can set up probably for your kids, pull your TV, furnish it, so they don't necessarily have to share the primary area with you. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, this is the first terrace that I'm seeing that was built with a lot of thoughtfulness in mind. So let's take a look at the room. So this is one of the rooms. This is one of the rooms with its own private bathroom. So this is the bathroom. The toilet should be here. Okay. So let's see this one here. Oh. Let me know what you think of this home. I tour a lot of homes. Trust me when I say this house is absolutely worth it. It is absolutely worth it. So you have your wardrobe here and its own bathroom too. Everything comes in suite. So let's take a look at the master's, the master's bedroom, which is the last place we will be touring. So this is the master's. Let me know what you think. This is the master's bedroom. The master's bedroom also has its private balcony. So this is the private balcony. You can just set up something really nice here while you come to enjoy the breeze from these trees. Okay. So let's look at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. You have your bathtub here. Have your bathtub here. You know, just good stuffs. And this is me. Okay. So you have your walk-in closet here. If you ask me, this is a very beautiful house. This is a very beautiful home, trust me. The price of this home is, let's go to the mirror so you can see my face while I give you other details. So the price of this home is 280 million for the corner piece, which we are currently on right now. The other ones in the middle are going for 260, 250, asking price. So it means we can still beat it down for you. We can still negotiate the price for you, right? Then it has a CFO, it has a building approval, it has all the necessary documents for your verification, which you must do before you buy this particular home. It's located in a Ikota estate, very secure. If you know Megaound, you know Megaound is a very secure estate and all of that. So every other details will be in the caption. If you are currently looking for a home within the 250 and 280 mark, and you don't want to go all the way down to Aja, this is a good buy. This is just Ikota. Ikota is just by Chevron Tollgate. We are not far from Lekki and all of that. So do well to go through the details in the description box. My number will be there, WhatsApp. You can reach out to me, come physically see this home. Like I said, we're limited to the kind of things we can show you. If you are not here, there are some things you can't just feel. You know, sometimes when you step into a home, it's about how it makes you feel, right? So you can book an inspection, come and see what this home looks like, and you can make a decision for yourself. So with that said, if you have not subscribed, please do well. Hit the subscribe button right now. I'm waiting. Thank you very much for hitting the subscribe button, and I will see you on my next tour. Bye.